Hi, in this video, I'm going to highlight to you one of the best ways of using and finding the most appropriate hashtags for your video. So I'm going to go over to my computer screen, and this is my platform on TikTok. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to go over to the upload section. Let me go to home. And what you're going to do, you're going to go over to posts. Then you're going to go over to the tab above where it says upload. You're going to tap on it and you'll be taken over to this section. You're going to select the video that you would like to upload, and say, for example, I would like to upload this one, which speaks about confronting my fear. Tap on it, open it up. Now TikTok will upload the video onto your account. Give it a few seconds. Now it's very important that you choose the hashtag that's related for the video that you're producing. Hashtags that are related to the content. So if you are posting a video that's related to making people laugh, video that's making people get information on the internet about tutorials, you're going to first tap on the hash, as you can see, and then you're going to type, for example, laugh, the word laugh. TikTok will then generate for you words related to the hashtags that you have typed in. So here we have laugh, laughing, laughter, laugh trip. So you're going to tap on these things that are related, and it's very important. After tapping, make sure that it's highlighted in black. Then you're going to choose as many as you can from the recommendations of TikTok. Choose all of these because you don't know which one TikTok will be pushing in order to push your video so that more people can see your content, and so forth. And you're going to go to others, like, for example, laugh, fail, accomplishment, for example. Nothing comes up, you're going to add an S, and you're going to wait for TikTok to search for hashtags that can push your content. So here we have like fail army funny. Tap on that, get that up. And guys, there's a trick to it. Whenever time you have a video that's uploading, very important, always put the hashtag off for you. Very important, at least for you. So you can choose for you, officials, and you're going to choose all of this. I'll tell you the reason why, because most of the time, based on what I've seen, is that TikTok pushes this hashtag for you, for your page official and so forth. Very important. So go over, think about the content that you're pushing. Keep in mind that TikTok is a platform that is used for search. Put hashtags that's related to your content and take the recommendations of what TikTok is giving. So you can put, for example, surprise. Okay, so you go down and you look at the number of posts related to that hashtag and keep posting with these people, because TikTok currently is pushing this content based on these hashtags. So I hope that was beneficial for you. Please like this video, share it with your friends and family, and comment below if you want me to give you a tutorial of something else. Hope to chat with you in the comment section. Thank you and bye.